Even if you redesigned a site only a few short years ago, you can probably tell that it's not aging well compared to the way other sites look these days. With that in mind, we looked through and studied the most impactful sites on the web and found 6 trends that really stand out this year. First is how user interfaces are starting to follow similar patterns. The way people use the web now is different than it used to be, and people are more accustomed to large high-res images parsed with small chunks of information. Some of the best examples of this include Forbes' zigzagging design that bounces the alignment of photos and headlines, Vimeo's full-width image header, and the Next Web's card layouts. Second, the use of rich animation has skyrocketed with faster bandwidths and includes the likes of background video, interactive features, custom loading icons, pop-up notifications, and parallax scrolling, to name a few. Third, micro interactions are practically everywhere now, but chances are that you won't notice them much, if at all, when they're designed well. These are the tasks you do without thinking, and on a website include things like logging in, turning up volume, changing a setting, and looking at or posting a status message. Having these in your site will make it more interactive and give your visitors more options, but shouldn't feel like a chore to complete. Fourth is the proliferation of Google's new style language called Material Design. This allows web developers to add depth and realism to a site's look and feel while offering a minimalist design. Fifth, and arguably the biggest online design trend for years to come, is responsive design. Responsive design automatically changes the layout of a site to match the screen that it's on. Whether PC, smartphone, or tablet, it can be found pretty much in any large site at this point. It often comes as a feature in most of the latest WordPress themes. The sixth and final trend is what's called flat design. This style focuses on using as few style elements as possible while incorporating shadows and gradients to give the impression of depth. Fonts are usually simple, and colors will be, well, flat and not blend into each other. Now, although these are current popular trends, that doesn't mean they're necessarily right for your site, except for maybe responsive design. But knowing they're available for you and your site's visitors means having more options available to better serve members of your community and potentially pull in first-time visitors. Find out how to best use these trends to your advantage by contacting us through infintechdesigns.com or give us a call at 504-717-4837.